For those of you who may be thinking about replacing the stepper motors yourself, I did go ahead and pull the back off of the instrument panel, and just to show you that each stepper motor has, you can see in this picture there are 7 stepper motors all circled in red. I did the circling, that's not on the circuit board. But I'm going to go to the next picture, and I think I can show you a little bit better the detail. Now this is that same picture, but just up closer. And I think I'll zero in on this one. But you can see there's 2 plastic posts. And that's those 2 right here. And then there are 4 solder posts. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can actually see them on this one a little bit better because I marked them in red. There's the 2 plastic are there. There's a solder post, there's a solder post, there's a solder post, and there's a solder post. And there are a lot of there's a lot of information on the internet about if you want to go ahead and replace these stepper motors yourself, you have to use a solder sucker that heats these up and loosens them and sucks that solder out of there. You put the new stepper motor in there and then you solder it back in, and it makes this connection in. Again, that was just more trouble than I wanted to go to, so I ended up sending it off. And it probably cost about cost me probably about $100 in labor, maybe $80 in labor over just buying the stepper motors myself. So again, I had no interest in doing this part of it myself. Okay, that's just to give you an idea about what the back of that circuit board looks like if you are inclined to go ahead and replace the stepper motors yourself. At this point, I just want to show you the instrument panel trim piece after it's been taken out. Very, very simple. Pretty good sized piece, but nothing at all to work with. On the back side, I just want to show you the clips. They're just spring clips right here, and they go in the holes in the dash as you put it back in. They come out very easily, and I will show you the holes in the dash that this goes back into. So very easy to work with, very light. It's just a little bit tight when you get it out. You want to put your gear shift down and put your steering wheel down, get everything out of the way that you can. But it's very easy to work with. As you're putting the trim piece back in, it is a tight fit to get back in. And you think, well, that's not going to fit. But if you put the bottom edge in first, the top edge out, you can pull back on your gear shift and actually make more room for yourself. But it's still going to look like it's not going to fit. And what you have to do is you have to push down on this top piece. See, it pops out. You just push it down and it goes in. It's very flexible. Maybe just a little trick, you'd be afraid to break it, but you just push down on this top piece up here that goes in, and it will fit in then.